Hey guys, Micah here with Electrek, and today we're riding the RadMini folding electric fat bike, which is a fat bike you can take on the trail or the bike lane. Let's give it a ride. I would consider the RadMini Step Thru to be the biggest little e-bike I've ever ridden. I say that because it feels like a much larger fat tire e-bike, yet it handles like the smaller, portable 20-inch wheel bike that it is. And being a fat tire bike, it works equally well whether you're on the bike lane or cutting right across your local park. I'm always amazed at how good the transition feels on bikes like these. While many hardtail folding e-bikes technically can be ridden off-road, it takes one with comically large tires to actually feel good off-road, and the RadMini Step Thru actually feels good off-road. Plus, it's got the power to perform without getting bogged down in dirt or grass. The rear motor is 750 watts, which is plenty to reach its top speed of 20 miles per hour, and with a 14 amp hour, 48 volt battery that packs nearly 700 watt hours of capacity, you can easily get 20 to 25 miles of range without any pedaling at all. But if you do use the pedal assist, Rad claims you can bump that range up to around 45 miles or 70 kilometers. And with 5 different levels of pedal assist, it should be pretty easy to find a good level for you. Plus, you can't forget the fact that this is a folding bike. It's one of the few fat tire bikes you could actually stuff in your car trunk, and since so many trains and subways these days only allow folding bikes to be brought on board, the RadMini would get you a fat bike that you can still take on a train or a subway. It's not lightweight, of course, at about 68 pounds or 31 kilograms, but it is manageable for short lifts. The RadMini cost $1,499, and so the bike components are what I would call good but not great. And you know what? That's okay. This is an under $1,500 electric fat bike. To get parts like hydraulic brakes, mid-drive motors, or belt drives, you need to be paying much more. But at this price, you still get name brand components from companies like Shimano and Tektro, which are good enough for our 20 mile per hour cruiser here. And it's not like you're going to be riding this bike on competitive downhill trails. This is basically a commuter bike that you can take off-road and have a lot of fun on. And when I say a lot of fun, I mean it. This bike is a kick to ride. It just handles so nimbly no matter what terrain you're on. Those big tires absorb everything, and what they miss gets taken up by the front suspension. And when you're back on the road, you can lock out the suspension fork to improve your pedaling efficiency, if you're so inclined. For me, I like to leave it open for the smoothest ride. And at the end of the day, I can say that I definitely recommend the RadMini Step Thru. It's well made, has nice features, it's a blast to ride, and most importantly, it's fairly priced. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed that review. Make sure you hit subscribe so you can check out all of Electrek's electric vehicle videos. See you next time.